you guys already know, every time I'm outside, I gotta pass to Tim Hortons, and that's where we're going to be passing first, because y'all know I love my Tim Hortons. My 2 vlogs that you guys have seen so far, I've always gone to Tim Hortons. So we're gonna go there right now. I gotta get something to eat, and I have my daughter here with me. She didn't go to school today. She said she is having a headache, so she's home today. I love me my Tim Hortons right now so that I can start off my day. Okay, so that's what we're going to be doing today. So I just came around my daughter's school, and look who I find. Look at her right here. she saw me just now. She was like, "Mommy, look at you." Oh my gosh, she looks so cute. Well, it's time for you to go back to school, right?
Yeah.
This is really pretty. Oh my god, look at this. Oh my god, I think I'm gonna get this one. This is so nice. Oh, I think I'm gonna get like 3 of them. I have to put it on the table. So every time I come to the dollar store, I love to come in the kitchen aisle. I always find something that I want here, and they always have like really nice stuff in this aisle. Like, I always like coming in here. Oh my god, look at what I find. Oh, look at this. They have a pot in here. Like, they always have good stuff in here. Look what I find. Look, they have a pot. But I'm on a budget, so I'm not gonna take that today. But they always have some really good stuff in here. This is what I'm looking for. This is what I'm looking for. I want a pizza cutter. I think it's this one. I don't know if I should get this one or I should get this one. I don't know which one to get. And you think I should get this one? This one is $2. Or I should just get both of them and put it in the jar stuff. Right? This is pretty. Okay, so we're gonna get 2 of these. But then I want to get this to put it in the, I don't know. Like, well, I got this at the house. Oh, they have it in 32. This is the light that I want, right? So I guess we're gonna have to get this one instead. This one is a textured my way texturizer softening. So I think I'm gonna end up getting this one because I want to texturize my hair. But let me look around and see what else they have. It looks so empty in the bottle though. So maybe we're gonna end up getting, oh, this is another texturizer as well. Sensitive scalp. This one it says for sensitive scalp. Okay, so I think we're gonna end up getting this one instead.